Hey everyone, in this video I'll be covering the usage of Vlookup function in MS Excel. Vlookup is basically a function that vertically looks up a given value in the first column of your selection and then returns a value from another specified column in the same table. So I've taken a sample data of 3 students' marks in 3 courses, and these all belong to different sections. First sample question that I've taken is, let's find out student number 1's marks in maths. So what we'll do is, in the table we'll enter what we want to vertically look up. So we want to look up student 1 here, so we'll put it here. Now it's time to enter formula. In a different cell, enter the formula is equal to VLOOKUP. Select this student 1. Table array is this. The table array should select with the column which is having the value that we want to look up. Suppose it was section A, B, C, if we had to look up, then the table should start from B column. Then we have to specify the column index number. Maths, starting from left, it is coming in column 1, 2, 3. Also, when you make the selection, it shows as a small pop-up like what column number it is. So don't worry, you need not manually calculate it. So maths is in column number 3 from left, so we'll enter the number 3. And then we have to enter 0 because we want exact match. 0 is for false. So it will pick up student 1's marks in row number 3. 1, 2, 3. But please understand, if later you change this column, it will pick up irrespective of what subject it is from here. So for that, I'll share a solution later on. It's just hard coded that whatever comes here, it will pick it up from there. And second is student 2's marks in science. So we'll enter student 2. This is what we want to look up, is equal to VLOOKUP. We'll select student 2. Table array will be the same. Now science is in 5th column from the left, so we'll put 5 and 0. So it'll show you this value. Now if you want to get student 2's value here, what you'll have to do, you'll have to make it a fixed reference here, so that you might not skip out on certain values of the cell. So you can just drag down the formula and you'll get your answer. But this is a very crude way of using it, as I was mentioning previously as well, that it will take whatever will come in 3rd column irrespective of what subject it is. Now since we have a very limited data and we know maths is in 3rd column, so we can use it like this. But let's say we have a very elaborate data to look at, and I'll give you an example of that. Now let's say we have sales data of 4 quarters of some 10 plus stores. 10 is a very small number. Let's say we'll have for 100, whatever n number of stores we have, and we want to look up data for a given quarter. Now let's say quarter 3 sales data in store 8. So instead of manually entering it, or if we want to make it an interactive cell, that if we change certain cell referencing, it should automatically change rather than manually hard coding 1, 2, 3, 4 as the column references. What we can do is we can use one more function, that is match. So same formula is equal to VLOOKUP. We want to look up, first you put quarter 3 also somewhere. Yeah, so we'll start with this is equal to VLOOKUP quarter 3. This is our table array, and now instead of entering 1, 2, 3 like 9 till here, what we will do is we will enter match function, match. Now we want to match store 8, so we'll select store 8. Then lookup array, we want to look up in this row. Then we want exact match, bracket close. So instead of a number, we'll put a small function, that is match, comma 0. So it will give you quarter 3 sales in store 8. The benefit of using this formula is whenever you want to see for any other store, you can just play around with it. You can play around with quarters, you can play around with stores, and it'll make things pretty easy for you. I hope this has helped you, and share it if you think it can help somebody else as well. Thanks guys for watching.